Hello friends, here in this video today I am going to show you how to update Snapchat app. So without wasting any further time, let us get started. Step 1. Open Play Store on your device. Step 2. Tap on the search bar. Step 3. Type Snapchat. Hit the search button. Step 4. Click on the Snapchat icon. Step 5. Click on the Update button. Step 6. Wait for the update to get completed. It's done, you have successfully updated the Snapchat app on your smartphone. Enjoy the latest Snapchat app with latest features. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.